Hey guys, Sean with Automotive Cleaning Solutions. We're here today going to do a giveaway for you guys on the Octane TV YouTube channel. We're going to be giving away the IGL Quartz Plus. It is a 3-year, 2-part ceramic coating. So this is pretty unique as it's a base and a top coat with that. It's going to protect you against all your environmental things that happen to vehicles, micro marring, bird dropping stains, bug splatter acids, anything that can environmentally damage vehicles is going to protect you from that. So this retail value for just this kit alone is $800. Of course, we're going to be installing it for you and also providing a polishing as well. That way we've got a good surface to build that on. So Automotive Cleaning Solutions is located at 6937 East 42nd Street here in Indianapolis. We are actually inside the DIY garage. Phone number is 317-833-8355. You can also go to our website. It's autocleansolutions.com.